Find a cool place today.
Wouldn't that be amazing?
Need some ice.
Some skating rink or the pool. So we'll start with that. If you're headed to the pool, it's great for that. 98 degrees, 100. Some of the pool water, though, getting awfully warm with how hot we've been. Our nights have been warm. Our afternoons have been sweltering. Today, 101. That is where we're headed. Make sure the kiddos are hydrated. Sometimes they don't want to get out of the pool and take a drink. Yes, even though you're in the pool, you still got to stay very, very hydrated. Today, we have a lot of sunshine expected, full sun, and no precip. So now let's add up the days since we've had a healthy rain. Since we've had a quarter of an inch of rain, it's been 20 consecutive days here in Oklahoma City. The first week and a half of July was so wet. We ended the month of July the fourth wettest on record, but we simply turned off the spigot as we headed through the third week of July. And now this is where we're sitting. 10 days since you've had rain in northern Oklahoma, and we desperately need it. August, it's not our driest month. We do typically see off and on storms in the month of August. And also one thing that's very positive, I think, for most folks is our average temperature. It starts to go down this month, the middle of the month. Average low 71, high of 94. By the time we get to the end of the month, our average high is 89, still hot, and 66 degrees is our average low. We averaged 3.2 inches of rain. We've had as much as 9.9, and we've had as many as 13 tornadoes in the month of August. That is the record. Showers and storms are ongoing right now just off to our east. There are storms going on through Missouri. These have been severe, and they're training their flash flood warnings in effect. A lot of water falling right now in the state of Missouri, but here in Oklahoma on Next Gen Live, all is quiet. Not a cloud in the sky overhead on our Lucky Star Sky Cam Network live from downtown. It's 83. Those south winds, they are up. Temps are in the 80s already. Several 90s to pick out on this map. We're at 90 in Kingfisher. 89 Altus, 91 in Hollis, now lower 80s, even some 70s in eastern Oklahoma, but the humidity is much higher once you get over into green country. 94 degrees is the heat index in Piedmont, 91 in Norman. It feels like 93 in Guthrie, 90 in Shawnee. We've got heat indices already in the mid-90s in the east, and the heat index not quite as hot in western Oklahoma. Air temp will still range from 100 to 102 today in the west, 101 in OKC. Under the heat dome, we have very little cloud cover, very little in the way of rain. A few thunderstorm chances in the panhandle over the next couple of days. Around the heat dome, the precip is spitting. Been watching a couple of disturbances out over the Atlantic. This one may become a named storm in the next couple of days, but not making its way towards the United States. Steering winds push it right back out into the ocean. We do have Tropical Storm Dora off the coast of Mexico. We'll be moving off towards the Hawaiian Islands. We'll see what it does. Could become a Category 2 hurricane over the next few days because it's going to stay out over the Pacific. We do have relief that's headed our way. The blocking pattern in the central United States, the heat dome, that big high that sets up in the summertime, it builds over the next few days. Lows stay warm, highs stay very hot, above normal, not record breaking, and it breaks down with rain and storm chances on the northern side. And as it makes its way down to the south, here's Friday, our storm system will be making its way onto the coast. This one looks good. Data still pretty consistent. This makes its way in over your weekend, bringing a chance of rain and storms ahead of it. Cold front moves in on Sunday. Stronger jet stream winds could even fuel some strong to severe storms at times. And the north wind lingers, bringing us cooler temperatures. Lows tonight, 70s and 80s. That front is not here. Chance of rain and storms at 40% in the panhandle tonight. Tomorrow, look at the 100s across the state. Southwest winds. Better chance of rain tomorrow night into Thursday morning. It's a 60% chance. Some pockets of heavy rain are possible. And then highs on Thursday, right back into the triple digits. 101. That continues Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, even into Saturday. Saturday, there is a chance for thunderstorms into the afternoon. It's not locked in. 30% chance on Sunday that north wind takes hold. Lows drop to the 60s, highs in the 80s and low 90s. We will take it. You'll be able to tell the difference as that front pushes through. Back to you guys.